and by the authority vested in me as a judge of the state of Missouri, I pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
I danced round that old elm.
Wednesday with the bride and groom who think it's a picture, so they're standing really still. Down there.
We're in the last leg of our flight on our way to Paris, so we're leaving Philly, headed to Paris, and our wedding is on Wednesday. Can't wait.
Yeah, buddy, it's about to go down. Super excited. Let's do it.
To the Eiffel Tower. I almost made Nicole run into a pole. And we are going to go all the way to the top of the Eiffel Tower. We are so excited. Woo! Look at that! And I cannot wait to see everybody when I walk down the aisle. I'm very blessed that Leah is going to be the one marrying us. Makes the wedding day even extra special. So I'm very excited, and Derek, I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you so much. On our way to the chateau to get ready for the wedding.
Courtney, you're just amazing, and that's just what it is. I tell people all the time, it's just that easy to love you, and it is. I'm truly grateful for your support on everything. And I'm always going to be here to support you and stand tall by your side.
You are the most incredible man I've ever met. And every day, I'm not kidding, every day I thank God for you because He gave me somebody extraordinary. Thank you for loving me, and I promise to love you for the rest of my life.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you.
Them, husband and wife.
Blessing and a pleasure to spend this joyous day in Paris with you guys, celebrating your nuptials. Courtney, I met you through Derek. Derek's an awesome guy. Courtney, you're a beautiful lady. You guys are going to have a great future together.
Oh, Courtney and Derek, this has been the most amazing trip. I loved your wedding.
It's been an amazing trip. We enjoyed every aspect of it, and you had a lovely wedding, and you two look amazing.
We love you!
We love you! So today, in Paris, I'm happy to say I'm not losing my best friend, but I'm gaining another partner in crime. Whether you like it or not, you are stuck with me for a lifetime as well. When I see you two together, I realize there really is such a thing as a perfect match. Your love for each other is amazing